Student, today I discuss about the vector group or phasor group of three-phase transformer. Here I discuss delta, zigzag 0. High voltage side winding is delta connected, low voltage winding is zigzag connected, and between high voltage and low voltage there is no phase displacement. So at first I draw a simple double star connection, that is A1, A2, A3, A4. This one is B1, B2, B3, B4, and this one is C1, C2, C3 and C4. So this is the double star connection. Now you have to construct this double star connection into a zigzag connection. Suppose this side is the one side and this side is the two side. Again I say this side is the one side and this is the second side. Now look at the arrangement, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, and this is B1, B2, B3, B4, and this is C1, C2, C3, C4. As phase displacement is 0, so position of A4, B4 and C4 is unchanged. Now reconnect this A2, B2 and C2 as a star. So this is your A1, A2 side, shifting it, and this is your B1, B2 side, now it is shifting, and this is your C1, C2 side, now it is shifting. Now A2, B2 and C2, all three terminals are connected and create a neutral point. Okay. Now this first star has outer terminal here, that is A1, this is respective B1 and this is respective C1. Okay. Now this A3 and A4 are displaced here. This B3, B4 are displaced here, and this C3, C4 are displaced here. Now this is the zigzag connection. So this is your zigzag connection. Now as per the terminology, we write here C2, C1. Okay, so that should be like as. Now the zigzag connection is looks like as. So this is your zigzag connection. Here A2, B2, C2 are connected to form a neutral. Now C1 is connected to A3, A1 is connected to B3 and B1 is connected to C3. A4, B4 and C4 terminal position is unchanged. Okay, so this is the zigzag connection, and now the phase displacement is 0. Now connecting it as per your figure number 2, first you take the 3 into 2, that is 6 winding, that is named as A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. Now A2, B2 and C2 connected and form a neutral, that is your neutral. Okay. Now C1 and A3 is connected. Now C1 and A3 is connected. So this is A3. This is your C1. Now A1 and B3 is connected. So this is your B3 and this is your A1. Now B1 and C3 connected. This is your B1 and this is his C3. Here A4, B4 is the outer terminal. Okay. Now that high voltage side winding is delta. So delta is very simple. Suppose this is A1, A2 terminal. This is B1, B2 terminal. This is C1, C2 terminal. So in case of delta, A1 connected to B2, B1 connected to C2 and C1 is connected to A2. Here A2, B2, C2, A2, B2, C2 is the outer terminal. So delta here HV winding and zigzag here low voltage winding. So this is DZ0. So in case of zigzag connection or interturn connection, it is actually used where you eliminate the third harmonics between line and neutral. The third harmonics is directed as the fundamental EMF, that is A1, B1, C1 to A4, B4, C4. If you go through the path directed neutral, C2, C1, A3 and A4. Again I say, if you go through the path N to C2, then C1, then A3, then A4, so that the induced EMF, third harmonics induced EMF in the half section of LV, that is C1 and C2, is minus E3, and in the half section of another LV, that is A3, A4, the third harmonics EMF is plus E3. So that means this both EMF are directed opposite each other, so eliminate the third harmonics in zigzag connection. At last, the zigzag connection and interstar connection eliminate the third harmonics between line and neutral. Okay, and the resultant third harmonics EMF between line and neutral is 0 if we are directed, suppose N to C2, C1, A3, A4, then induced EMF in C2, C1 is minus E3 and the induced EMF in A3, A4 is plus E3 in each of half LV section. Now suppose the U1 is the fundamental voltage of each half LV section. So line to neutral voltage, that should be equal to root 3 into U1. If the low voltage winding normally connected as a star, simple star, then line to neutral voltage is 2 into U1. Here E1 is a fundamental frequency voltage. Therefore, the phase voltage or line to neutral voltage in interstar of zigzag connection reduce, that is root 3 E1 by 2 E1 is equal to 0.866, that is it reduce 86.6%. That is reduced 86.6%. So from this equation we generally calculate that in case of interstar or zigzag connection, the line voltage is 0.866 of its value if it is connected in star. Now if the voltage is 2E1, suppose normal star 2E1, and it should be retained in interstar, then LV turn must be increased to, that is equal to 2 by root 3, so 1.15 times of the value in star. So when it is done, the interstar connection becomes expensive because it involves extra copper and more iron. So student, I discuss the advantage of zigzag or interstar connection. If you have any query or problem, please contact me. Thank you.